Hi, my name is Marlene Franco and I'm with GardeningTheOrganicWay.com. And I often get asked what type of flowers to plant that attract bees. And we'll be right back with the answer. Flowers that attract bees, well, there's so many out there that the list goes on quite extensively. But in general, what you want to try to do is try to have a diversity. And diversity is really the most important thing because you want flowers that flower in the spring, some that flower later in the summer, and then some that flower later in the fall. That way they have food, throughout the season. So wildflowers and some natives really come in very handy. Herbs are fabulous in a vegetable garden, whether it's your basil, your mints, your borage, clover, sage, fennel, thyme, coriander. All these things are very, very, very useful. All catmint, oh my God, they love catmint, just like your cats. Well, bees do too. And in general, all your mints, lavender, a lot of your berries, all your berries like raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, they all need to be pollinated by bees, and consequently bees love them. Your asters, black-eyed Susans, bee balm, cosmos, foxglove, geraniums, marigolds, roses, sunflowers, zinnias, and all the fruiting trees, whether it's your apples, your pears, your plums, your cherries, be it ornamental or the actual fruiting kind, they all need bees to pollinate, and at the same time, they're great to attract them. So hopefully that gives you some idea, and for further information, please visit the blog as I have an extensive list on what you can plant. Thank you for your time, and make sure to visit our website, GardeningTheOrganicWay.com, and read our blogs on the most up-to-date information on gardening the organic way. Make sure you follow us on the different social media outlets that we have and subscribe to YouTube so that way you stay on top of the latest videos that we produce. I'm Marlene Franco, and I encourage you to keep gardening the organic way.